Hello, friends. Welcome to my office. I'm Vero, owner of Sacred Crystals, and you might know this. We did a giveaway last week for Labor Day. We were taking entries in the store to enter to win a stack of bracelets. It's 4 bracelets of your choice, and I'm here to say I have a winner. This has been fun and educational for me because I had to figure out how to randomly choose, and I figured out that there's a way to do it with the spreadsheet that I downloaded of the entries. I used a random number generator and got the number, and that number corresponded to Taylor Overton. So, Taylor, thank you so much for being a supporter of Sacred Crystals, and you're welcome to come into your favorite shop and let them know who you are, and you will get to pick out your bracelet stack. All right. I'll also be emailing and letting you know. Looking forward to seeing you and looking forward to hearing all about the bracelets you pick. And everybody come on into the store. It's the beginning of September. It's the start of fall. We're kind of up in our fashion game. So come in and grab some bracelets because right now they're actually on sale. They are buy 2, get the third one 50% off. So you can get 3 bracelets for a much better price. All right. So have a great day. Love you guys.